Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of Paneer Kulcha. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some paneer which is grated, maida, curd, oil, ginger garlic paste, black sesame seeds, coriander leaves which are finely chopped, baking soda, salt, sugar, butter, finely chopped green chilies, amchur powder, ajwain, some baking powder, red chili powder and garam masala. So let's start. Now in a bowl, take 2 cups of maida in it. Then add 1 cup of curd in it. With that, salt as per taste, sugar 1 tablespoon, oil 1 to 2 tablespoon, baking powder 1 tablespoon and baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. And now we are going to add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. I knead it into a soft dough. And now we are going to cover it with a plate and rest it for 2 hours. Till that time, we are going to make the stuffing. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of grated paneer in it. Then add some finely chopped coriander leaves and green chilies. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, red chili powder as per taste, garam masala half tablespoon, amchur powder half tablespoon and ajwain half tablespoon. And now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly and my stuffing is ready. And now we are going to go to the next process. After 2 hours, the dough has set well and now we are going to knead it for 5 minutes. I knead it for 5 minutes and now we are going to take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now we are going to cover it with a layer of flour. Then we are going to roll it into a small puri. I rolled it into a small puri and now we are going to put a small portion of the stuffing. And now we are going to pack it like a momos. I packed it tightly and now we are going to spread some black sesame seeds on it. With that, some chopped coriander leaves. Press it gently and now we are going to roll it into an oval shape. I rolled it into an oval shape and now we are going to grease some water on it. I greased some water and now we are going to go to the cooking process. Now take a tawa and place the kulcha on it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the one side has cooked and now I am going going to turn the pan. And now we are going to cook it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the both sides of the kulcha has cooked, and now I am going to scrape the sides and transfer it into a plate. I transferred it into this plate, and now I am going to grease some butter on it. I greased some butter on it. So as you can see, it is so yummy. So this is my delicious and tasty Paneer Kulcha recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.